Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This should be a really quick one. Something you guys did not know about me. I am certified twice over in individual lash extensions. However, because I cannot do them on myself, this is what I opt to do, and I actually prefer this over individual lash extensions. I did it for a little bit and then I let it go. So I am going to be using my lash tweezers. I usually during a service, I use this type of tweezer to separate and get through those layer of lashes to isolate that one lash. But in this case, I'm going to be using it to apply my strip lash. Then I'm going to use a pair of shears to cut my lashes. And on a regular everyday basis, I do use the Ardell Wispies because the band is really small and these are more of a natural look. But for the case of filming, I am going to use this dramatic lash so you guys can really see the difference in the lash. And the lash band is a lot thicker on this band, so hopefully this works. As far as my glue, using the Duo white glue, it does dry clear. Now that the lashes are out of the package, I'm going to remove the clear sticky band that they put on the lashes to make sure it stays attached to the container. I'm going to go ahead and remove that from both of the lashes. And as you can see, there's a lot of it. Now that that's done, I'm going to move on to cutting the outer portion of the lashes. Here I'm just comparing the two lash lengths to make sure they are both the same length. And then I'm going to move on to cutting my lash into 3 separate pieces. Now that that's complete, I can move on to gluing my lash strip. So I am going to put the glue on the top half of the lash. Most people put it on the edge or they'll put it underneath, but keep in mind we're putting this under our lash line, so we have to put the glue at the top portion of the lash band. Okay, so as that is drying, I'm just going to go underneath with the lash glue. Can y'all see that? Hopefully you can see that. All right, so it's getting pretty tacky. I can feel it underneath my lashes. So I'm just going to place this one right there. Can you guys see that? Right there. Not on the waterline. See that? And if it's not a strong hold, you can always use the back and press it up to get a firmer grip. And then I typically use the flat part and squeeze it together. That's how I always end up with glue on these tweezers. And then let's move on to the middle portion. If you feel as though your glue dried too quickly, you can always start over and do it again. I do feel like the glue on my real lashes dried really quickly. I mean, already the dramatics of it all, like, I feel like I've mentioned this before that I do this, but I didn't go into great detail of when I do it, why I do it, how long it lasts. I don't think I did any of that. So it lasts about 2 to 3 days, depending on how you take care of it. Of course, when I'm in the shower, I'm very gentle around my eyes. Friend, look at that. Because it's so dramatic, I do not feel as though I need to wear any upper eyelid makeup. So I do not put on mascara. I do not use any eyeshadow close to my lid. We just gonna fake this little individual eyelash extension situation for the weekend, right? It's just for the weekend, just for 2 days. And if you want to add some extra dramatics to it, that little small piece that you clipped off, you can always add that here. So the reason I put glue on the lashes and my lashes is to kind of reinforce it. If you have it on the waterline, you will feel it. It will be annoying. So this is the look when I've added that additional piece that I took off. I personally don't feel like I need it. It adds extra dramatics I don't need. So before it gets super dry, I'm just gonna take that off. But this is the look, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this one the same way, adding the glue to the outside portion. You can use as little, as much as you feel like you need. I mean, by the time you guys see this, I'll probably be taking these off because it'll be a Sunday. But currently today is Friday, and I want nice lashes for the weekend. I want to wake up and feel cute without makeup. Like, having dramatic lashes just kind of gives you that makeup, no makeup look without even trying, which is why so many people flock to the individual lash extension method. But I feel like if you're just, you know, if you're just hanging out for a weekend and you're going to be in the suite with the girls, or you're on a vacation and you just want something dramatic for the weekend, this is a very, very great option. And I know I look crazy, but I kind of just pushed them up. Girl. 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 Lashes for days, honey. Where you going? He's looking. I love them. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. And until the next time, be loved.